Hi there, it's Juanita Toll with Atoka Properties. I just have a couple of words to say about today's real estate market. I know that the newspapers and the headlines are screaming doom and gloom and that nobody should buy a house right now. But I'm going to tell you why it really is a great time for people to buy a house right now. Yes, interest rates are higher than they've been for the past 2 years. But we knew that those interest rates were an anomaly, and we knew they weren't going to last. It's unsustainable for investors. Some people got lucky and they got that low interest rate and they didn't have to overpay for their house, but most people definitely overpaid. And I know this because I wrote a ton of offers during that time period, and I lost a lot of offers. You know why? Because my people wouldn't pay $250,000 over asking price. They would only go $100,000 over. Buyers were tired and disappointed for the past 2 years, and they weren't even being allowed really to have a home inspection, or else they would lose the deal. Let me tell you an example of someone I actually know who's in the business. He buys a home and he's got to have it. So he ends up paying $200,000 over asking. No home inspection, of course. When he finally moves in, he discovers that the house needs a new roof, a new well, and 2 HVAC units. So he ends up spending another 50 grand after he just overpaid by 200,000. So buyers are in a much better position now. But Juanita, you say, I'm paying 6.65% interest on my loan. How can I be in a better position? Well, number one, interest rates will go down. Yeah, they have spiked up, but they will settle down within a year, maybe sooner. Number two, unless the home that you want to buy is incredibly special, you're probably not going to overpay now. It's not going to be bid up a couple $100,000. In fact, I'm seeing lots of price cuts right now. Number three, you actually get home inspections. So think about it. If you're the fellow that I just told you about, who had to not only pay for a new roof, HVAC, and a well as had to bid $200,000 over to get his house, say he pays $1,000 more every month for the next 2 years before he refinances. So that's $24,000. So you take $24,000 and then you take $250,000, $200,000 for overbidding, $50,000 for HVAC, well, and roof, and you're way ahead by paying a little bit higher interest rate for now. Anyway, that's my silver lining. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and call me.